So guys, I don't know, I spent 4 of them and 5th one on the back seat, so I basically used 5, let's say, cans to do the whole car seats. So I was going to show you the results. Results are not so great, but still looks like crap. But here, this turned out good. This black, it was cloth. But the seats, they still look like crap, as you can see. So I ordered the seat covers. Hopefully, seat covers will cover it for sure. So put this yet. I haven't installed this sheet yet, but you can see it's kind of messy look. It gives you a messy look, that paint. I don't know if I did it correctly, but I'm sure I did correctly because I did 2 layers. Even on the seat, you can see that it looks like a missed spot, but like I went over already 2 times. It's still showing that. So, but those little stuff turn out great, you know. But the big parts, to paint the big parts, I don't know about that paint vinyl thing. But yeah, so getting there. I installed the mirrors already, as you can see, and worked on interior a little bit. So my next project will be changing that windshield. It's $180. So my previous windshield I broke was $60. So a little bit, spending a little bit more than I could have, but you know, I thought I can install a windshield myself, and guess what? No, I can't. Gotta need 2 people to do it, or I don't know, maybe you can do it by yourself somehow, but I'm not ever doing it again. I would just rather pay money for somebody to do it. But I don't know how I'm gonna fix this dents. I think I should just sell it for cheaper price. It's everywhere, dents. So I'm gonna put it up for a cheaper price. Looks like I opened up the hood. But yeah, guys, this is my process on this one so far. And see you guys in my next videos. Don't forget to like or dislike. And see you soon, guys. Take care.